Crispy chicken in cornflakes. It's an idea for tonight's dinner. It will work perfectly as a snack, hot or cold. I present the list of necessary ingredients. This same list can be found in the description under the video. Under the video, I will also add a link to the blog where you can find all my recipes. We divide the chicken fillet into smaller parts. Season with salt, pepper, sweet and smoked paprika. Mix everything and then put it in the fridge for at least an hour. We prepare pancake batter. We need a glass of flour, 2 whole eggs, half a glass of milk and a bit of salt. And mix everything or blend into a uniform mass. Combine the chicken with the prepared pancake batter. Mix thoroughly so that the meat is coated. Then add the cornflakes. They are already crushed. They should be mixed with smoked paprika. Then roll the prepared chicken cutlet in it. Thoroughly on one side and the other. Fry the chicken in deep oil for a few minutes until golden on each side. As you see, they look beautiful. They taste very good. Serve with your favorite extras, favorite sauces. As I said, hot, cold, as you like. They will taste good. I recommend and wish you a tasty meal.